welcome back to my channel. Today's video is how to get clean. Don't be fooled, it's not actually how to clean yourself. It's how to keep this earth clean and your lifestyle clean. Today we're gonna be talking about everything shampooing, conditioning, to riding a scooter around the city. So you're gonna see all those things. If you wanna know how to get clean and keep our earth clean, then just keep watching.
So it's my best friend Katie's birthday, and of course I wanna bring her a coffee because it's her birthday. Who doesn't want a coffee? I went to Starbucks, got her an iced vanilla latte, but do you notice what's something missing? Oh, well, there's a hair. Do you notice what's missing? A straw. A better way you can clean our environment up is by using reusable straws. This one is stainless steel from Amazon. The reason I don't use plastic straws anymore, I've seen the impact it's had on our environment and I just will not stand by that anymore. So I choose to use reusable straws. I got this pack of 12 off of Amazon for like $10. It's really cheap and that is gonna make a big difference in the end. I'm gonna leave a link down below on why you should not use plastic straws. The whole movement can start with you. You, as a person, can make a difference by buying a whole pack of straws that you can reuse. You, one person, by not using the straws, does make an impact. It helps with the bigger picture. Hashtag save the sea turtles. And guys, these straws, honestly, they rock and they come with a cleaner, so why not? I mean, seriously though. Sorry, Katie, I'm taking a sip.
So our bathrooms, anything that we clean, wow, it's echoing here. I'll make it quick. Try using cleaners that have more organic and less chemicals in them. I have this one from Method. It specifically talks about not having the harsh chemicals and actually smelling good. It smells like lavender. You're helping the earth by what you're putting down the drain again. Also, it's not as harsh and it still smells good and cleans your bathroom. Just like the plastic straws, reusable water bottles are an awesome choice. So this one is a Hydro Flask and it's probably my favorite water bottle at the moment. And I got this really cool like sippy cup lid, not sippy cup. I got like one of those like lids that pops open. Reusable water bottles are so much better than plastic water bottles. You don't need to keep buying those. And it's expensive. This is a one-time purchase and you can just keep filling it up. We're so grateful to have water accessibility basically anywhere we go in the States. So grab one of these on your way to the next store. We're all concerned about the water that we're drinking, but do we ever think about the water that goes down the drain? I do. When it comes to products I use from the shower, I always like to think what can make me smell good and what can also be good for the environment because I know it's going down the drain. An awesome company called Mix Easy reached out to me. It's a company that allows you to customize your shampoo, conditioner, and face cream, what you need to do for your body. I got a shampoo and I got a conditioner. The main purpose I have for these products, for me personally, I wanted my hair to be stronger, I wanted it to grow faster, I wanted it to stay healthier, I didn't want any breakage, and I just wanted it to look healthier in general. Next, I got a face cream. The purpose I wanted to come out of my face cream was I have pretty normal skin, so I just wanted everything to stay hydrated. I wanted to make sure that I had no aging going on before I needed to start aging. I just wanted my face to look dewy and natural and healthy. So, the really cool thing about this company is that you can customize it to anything that you want to do for your body, for your skin, and it's so good for the environment. I want to list off some of the awesome qualities about this company. So they're natural and organic, vegan, cruelty-free, freshly prepped, premium quality, easy returns, handmade, and customized for you guys. Get you a banging set of shampoo, conditioner, and face cream. You can customize the name, which is actually really cool too. If you guys want a $5 code, it's on the screen and it's also in the link below. So go check them out. Look, I know things like Cheez-Its and Oreos are awesome. They're quite yummy. And I continue to buy them at the store for a little snack here and then to munch on. But let me tell you something. What you put in your body does matter. Look, I didn't believe this for the longest time. Personally, I'm allergic to gluten, so I just kept eating gluten. And then I quickly realized that I really should not be eating gluten, except for pizzas on special occasions. That's okay. It's okay to indulge. If you can, with the price, organic food. It's so much better for you and it's cleaner. It just comes as is when you get home, you just wash it off with some fruit wash. I know that not everybody lives in a city. I'm fortunate to live in Charlotte, which is a dope city and I love it so much here. And we have things like the light rail bikes, and the newest addition is like electric scooters that are super, super fun. And so my tip for you guys is that if you see a different type of transport besides cars you can take, that'd be great. So take the bus, take the light rail, take the subway, take what's in your city. It's also really good to discover how to get around and you'll know more about it. When it comes to living minimally, this is an idea that I have been researching and getting into in the past year and a half. So if you look around my room, I try not to have a bunch of clutter. I try to have everything kind of laid out in a certain way that I know that looks clean. I have what I need, not what I want. I'm still working on my closet. That's a process that's continuing. It's a process that is continuing, but I just feel like when you have less stuff around you, you have a less mental clutter as well, and you're able to do more, and you just feel a lot more released from all the physical things. Lastly, we're gonna clean our brains out. So if it's waking up in the morning or going to bed at night, try not to use technology. I know this is the one that I really struggle with because I do have a tendency to roll over, get my phone, and I'm like, crap, it's not what I want. Instead of using your phone, read a book, journal, and just get in tune with yourself. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for next time and more videos to come soon. Bye guys. Big shout out to Mix Easy for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for the shampoo and conditioning and face cream section of this video. I just want to make sure you guys know that it is important what you flush down your drain, and that goes into our environment even more. So once again, thank you, Mix Easy.